Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Nanlite and opening the Nanlite app on your phone. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is enabled because the app uses BLE to discover the unit. This is faster and more reliable than scanning over Wi-Fi. Keep the light within 3 meters so the signal stays strong, and temporarily disable other Bluetooth devices to avoid conflicts. Now tap the app's device scan button and watch for the model name. You're initiating a direct link, not a cloud login. When the app shows the device, tap the name to start pairing. You'll see a permission prompt next. Allow Bluetooth and location access because iOS and Android require location permission for BLE scanning. That's why pairing can fail if denied. Next, verify any pairing code that appears on the light or phone, enter or accept it so both ends authenticate. Once paired, the app exchanges profile information and fetches firmware status. This is how you get full remote control and feature access. After pairing, configure settings like brightness limits and color profiles. The app often prompts for a firmware update, so accept it to ensure stability and new features. Test basic controls. Toggle power, change brightness, and switch color presets to confirm two-way communication. If anything goes wrong, restart the Nanlite and the app, then retry scanning. That resolves most handshake issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, reboot your phone's Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.